So, welcome guys to a new video vlog of mine, to my new video. As I promised in my last video, I did some new specs on my car, and I will show you around what did I do and why did I do it. And so yeah, enjoy the video, and maybe if you have some question you can write it down below. So let's start. Well, for the beginning, as you can see, racing yellow, my really favorite color. And what did I do this year is I was painting all the black plastic things in piano black, so it looks like really shiny. I liked it really a lot on the GTS because it makes the car looking more, I don't know, it looks more elegant, it's more interesting. So as you can see here as well, it's like really super shiny. I love it a lot. So you can see here, it's like really painted everything in black, so that's nice stuff. The same thing I did in the front, like the two fenders, they're also black, and this plastic thing over there, so that's also really nice stuff. It's like super shiny, and yeah, if some one of you guys would do it, I can recommend it. It's a really nice shiny stuff. You can see it everywhere. Yeah, and of course back bumper, same here as well. Yeah, I really like it a lot. It makes the car looks more intense. Look at that, shiny, super shiny. So yeah, that's pretty it. I'm gonna make some little car porn for the end, of course. And if you want to follow more, just hit the follow button and the ring, all the stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna make a new video maybe next week, because I'm gonna get the new Michelin Pilot 4S Sport wheels, like rims. And yeah, gonna tell you what I see, how I like it, and what's the difference between the Pirelli P0. So yeah, enjoy the car porn in 3, 2, 1, let's hit it.